What it do, what it do, what it do? This your boy J Real from Got the Drive TV. Tune in, yeah. I mean, this breaking news. We got the drop. Now, most hated blogger was tuned in with Rainwater. Just Say No, and I guess on one of his fans, his subscribers. Now, early in the video, because it's so long, we ain't even gonna go through the whole thing. But most hated bloggers told everybody that I know y'all won't get what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna let Rainwater just keep talking, and eventually he gonna tell us what the fuck. He gonna tell us what the fuck happened. You feel me? He gonna slip up. He gonna slip up. Just watch. Now it's an hour and 41 minutes into his video, and this nigga just watch and listen, and then watch Skull face, because Skull face is just priceless, because he know most hated blogger is right at this point, because he was sliding most hated blogger the whole time with Rainwater until this moment happened. Just watch.
Slid through, say what's up, mate, B. Right. Whatever your card say your double credit is, I'm gonna pull cash out. What's up?
That's cool, but I'm broke. I ain't got no money. You win. You got more money than me.
I'm broke too. I'm broke just like you.
Well, I bet you was a normal child at school when you were missing too. They used to get on everybody's nerves.
I'm broke just like you, partner. We broke together, partner. I'm broke just like you, dog.
Now listen,
man. It's saying
I got a question. I got a question for Mose. Tell us what happened to your tooth. We all want to know that.
All right, Brian. Guess what? If you tell us what happened to 03, I'll tell you what happened. We want to know the truth.
I'm still trying. I'm trying to find out.
Right. But look, you still trying to find out. So what happened to the phone call that you were talking to him on the phone? We hopped out the car and all that. What happened to all that, Rain, dog?
It's still there. There's records right now. You go. There's records. You know what I'm saying?
How that make up when we seen the footage? He wasn't even on the phone.
Watch Skull's face.
Listen. That's public. That's gonna be public record. So we know that's gonna be public record. So
you not gonna get this on the case?
No, hell no. I wouldn't be able to talk about nothing.
So did the police ever take your phones and go through your phone?
Fuck no.
You ain't exactly. Listen, but guess what, Ryan? I'm glad you said that, Ryan. Because I got your
look at Skull face.
I got you on my other blog where I was gonna say the police.
Look how he looks straight to the TV.
You see what I'm saying, Skull? I won't let him embarrass himself. I'm about to go back and do a recap on my video.
Look how he look at the TV like he trying to look rain right in his eyes.
I'm letting you bury yourself.
Like, nigga, that's a lot.
So smart, you fucking stupid. That's why they got your dumb ass already over there on cameras looking for cameras already.
They ain't got those cameras looking for cameras, but I think they got your cameras fucking the transgender ass.
You guess what, man? You talking about all the jokes you want. That shit not gonna stand up in here, man. That shit dead. The world already know, dog. I'm King Dingling, dog. I fuck all the bitches. All that transgender shit, you say that, but you all.
Show us
that right there proves it. Rainwater. That was his first fuck up. And that was his first fuck up. Stay tuned. We're going to do a recap later on. We're going to put a part 2. We ain't going to make the video too long. Part 2 will be his second fuck up.